Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tic Tac Toe in Thunkable. First, let's set up our game board. We'll need a grid of 9 buttons, arranged in 3 columns and 3 rows. Make sure each button is a consistent size, perhaps 80 pixels wide and 80 pixels tall, to create a clean, square layout. Initially, leave the button text blank. Now, let's manage player turns. We'll use a variable to keep track of whose turn it is, starting with player X. When a player taps an empty square, we'll update that button's text with their mark. After each move, we'll switch the current player, ensuring player O goes next. It's important to prevent players from selecting an already filled square. Next, we need to determine if someone has won or if the game is a draw. We'll create functions to check all 8 possible winning lines, 3 rows, 3 columns, and 2 diagonals. After every move, we'll call these functions. If 3 identical marks are found in a line, we announce the winner. If all 9 squares are filled and no winner is found, it's a draw. Finally, let's add a way to reset the game for another round. We'll include a Reset Game button. When this button is pressed, all 9 squares on the board will be cleared, setting their text back to empty. We'll also reset the current player variable back to X, ensuring the next game starts fresh and fair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.